2097, the sky is leased by the minute, and your thoughts? They're corporate property. Welcome to Neo-Nairobi, where megatowers pierce the smog, and dreams are streamed at a price. Then there's Clay, night shift janitor, just a guy pushing a mop bot, trying not to get electrocuted by a urinal again. Until one night, he finds it, a neural patch, top tier, CO grade, still humming with memories. So naturally, he plugs it in, and just like that, he's inside the mind of the most powerful man in the city. Corporate betrayals, murder contracts, something called Project Synapse buried on floor 77. Now Clay knows too much, and in Neo-Nairobi, that's a death sentence. They send the cleaners, not janitors, the kind with silencers and spinal jacks. Clay, he dives into the only safe place he knows, the supply closet. He hacks the bots, the mop units, the vac drones, even the window scrubbers. He gives them new orders: obey Clay, and clean out the corruption. Now they're headed to floor 77, to erase every dirty secret, to scrub the system down to bare metal. He was just supposed to clean floors. Now, he's cleaning the whole house. This is neural mop protocol. The revolution starts with a janitor.